What is going on, YouTube family, and welcome to another YouTube video. As always, my name is Callan Wesley, and if you want to join and help change the narrative of Africa, change the narrative of Ghana, be sure to smash that subscribe button so we can grow together, get better together, and improve little by little every single day to achieve our goals. There are still many Ghana videos to come, with hotel tours, with daily vlogs, with just so much to come. But this was brought to my attention when I was doing some research, looking into some things in Ghana, and I thought, you know what, this is actually really amazing. I don't think many people in Ghana know about it, and it could help a lot of people, and hopefully also this can help start a chain reaction where other African countries and other countries worldwide can follow this trend. So it really helps if you like this video, if you share this video on pages, your friends and family, and just help spread this news, because it could really help a lot of people. To start off, this is, if anyone knows, when trying to do, not feeling well, trying to do a corona test, it is extremely expensive to do. And then on top of that, if you do have medical aid, if you do have health insurance, it is a nightmare trying to get the money back, because most of the times it takes ages to get the money back, and some of the times you don't even get the money back. So going on to the Joy News online website, which is one of the big news channels in Ghana, and it has recently been declared by the Ministry of Health that all walk-in COVID testing will be done for free. And the actual letter by the Ministry of Health, which also has to be signed off by the President, and in the opening line it says free COVID-19 testing for all walk-in requests such as ill health, contact tracing and exposure. The body of the letter goes as follows. The Ministry of Health has decided that public COVID-19 testing laboratories providing walk-in services can only charge travelers for testing. All other walk-in requests such as ill health, contact tracing and exposure must be done free of charge using public health resources, and all public health laboratories are to take note and comply. So I think this is so important, because a lot of people do not know and they might still be paying. So it's imperative that people know this, that if you're feeling unwell, if you've been in contact with someone with COVID-19 and doing contact tracing and you are using a public laboratory, this is to do, but not for travelers, because for travelers you're leaving the country on your free will, and therefore you have to comply with other regulations. To follow up on this, I'm going to be giving you a list of all the public laboratories. If you're not feeling well, your relatives, someone just wants to check it out, these are the lists of some of the public laboratories that are across Ghana. You can see there are numerous in all different types of areas. Going down, I have used the Akaya House Laboratory, which is in Accra. It was absolutely amazing. The service was incredible. The testing was flawless, and I was very impressed by that. And talking about the COVID-19 situation in Ghana, I think currently, if we look on the graph, there is 64,000 total cases with 59,500 recoveries, with 390 deaths. There has seen a slight little increase in rise in coronavirus cases, as it has been worldwide with the festive season and just having to get back to work and trying to make a living, that the increase of contacts or increase of rates. So please be safe out there, everyone. I really hope this helps you or gives you peace of mind that you don't have to break the bank getting COVID testing, because it is now completely covered in Ghana by using the accredited governmental laboratories that are on the list. And I really hope this video was helpful. So smash that subscribe button so we can grow together, get better together, and improve little by little every single day to achieve our goals while spreading Ghana and while spreading Africa to the world.